Hey everybody, finally got this equipment that I said about on Sunday at the beginning. So let's have a look at it, open it up and see if it's, how good it is. Yep.
I'll let you
Yes.
it.
Mm. Doing this one-handed is difficult. Ooh, blurry. There we go. Right. And the plate. Cool. So that's everything. This will help me when I do some filming with the guys. So we got a base plate, a strap, another base plate. Also, we've got two different. Oh, so this is a camera base plate and the video camera base plate for something for heavier stuff. Cool. And then that shoulder thing, but it doesn't tell me what I'm supposed to. It didn't come with any instructions to tell me how it all gets put together. Oh well, so it's. I've attached my camera to it. Ooh. And oh wow, we got some that's practically on the side. Awesome. Okay, do some walking. It kind of. Oh, that's quite smooth actually. It's quite smooth. Yeah. I might be a bit tall, but yeah. It's going to take some getting used to filming wise. Say hello, Dad. That's Dad. You might be on the internet later. But yeah. Cool. I think if I walk normally I'm going to bounce a bit. Whoa. But otherwise. Yeah. Oh god, I hate those curtains. But they do. Workplace. Right then. Time to go drink my tea from my Marvel mug. Blurry. There we go. Yay! I need a better camera, but yes. I'm not even holding it anymore. Yay! Right then. Well, that's been an opening of what was it called again? Let's hold it up. Upside down. The hands-free shoulder pad for camcorders. Doesn't tell me who made it though. That's the only. I don't know.